Welcome. Hi. Am I zooming in? Zoom. Yes, hi. Welcome to Dolly Barbarian Mukbang. Yay. And say hi to YouTube. Hi, YouTube. I don't like cheesecake. Hated it. Hate the taste of it. But I only like this one. I guess it's kind of my birthday cake. Yes. My birthday was a few days ago, but I guess this is my birthday cake for now. This is Oreo cheesecake. I eat it before and I love it. This is cookie and cream cheesecake. This is the only cheesecake that I like. I don't actually like cheesecake. I hated the taste of it. So I'm gonna try. If you don't like cheesecake, type in comment. Yeah, a little bit. Oreo cheesecake. Ah. Oh gosh, it fall on the keyboard. Yep, this is the only cheesecake I like. Oreo cheesecake. I don't like any other cheesecake. Don't hate on me. I know most of you guys on earth love cheesecake. I just don't like it. I hated it. Yes, oh gosh. Like weird. It's not sour, just weird taste. Don't like it. I should have ordered 2 of these. And it's kind of cool actually. My mom ordered some muffin and that place sell this, so I want to give it a try, and so far it's good. I thought most of you guys do like cheesecake. The last time I say when I hated it, you guys attacking me. How can you not? How can you hated it? It tastes good. This tastes like ice cream. Not even touching the side. Cheesecake? Oh, cheesecake. Okay. I guess eating 2. I should have ordered 2 of these. I like it. Oh well. I'm gonna get carrot cake. Can I have some? I like carrot cake. Mozzarella cheese. Isn't that supposed to be on the pizza? That'll be taste weird. I guess this is my birthday cake, yeah. My mom now try not to eat like after 6 p.m. She tried not to gain even more weight. For me, back then she doesn't allow me to eat after 6 p.m. Now she allowed it because I'm really skinny, so I need to eat more, so she allowed me to eat late. So yeah, back then my routine when I was young until high school, she doesn't allow me to eat late. After 6, that's it. Don't eat anymore. That's why I'm skinny. Now I'm trying to gain weight because I'm too skinny. It's not normal, and I just crashed that. Yo, yeah, pizza cake. Yeah, I know mozzarella is supposed to be on the pizza. She got some muffin. Maybe I will go get that and we'll eat it together with this. In the comment below. Yes, my weight is less than 100 lbs. I don't know the specific number for lbs, but in kg, because we use kg to measure our weight here, it's like is sometimes I check it's between 42, 41 and 43, so it's between two of that, 42, 41, 43 kg. That's my weight. Never go higher. I don't know what's the normal height here for guys. For girls, like, yeah, my height is like normal. I'm 5'1". 5'1". You just remove one of the one and we the same height. Cool. Yes, welcome to Team Turkey. I'm Turkey. Hi. Live a life. Do you breathe oxygen? If I gain. I think once you get older, most of us got heavier and heavier and chubbier, so accept that. It's the human nature of it. If you're not that, that is not normal, or you're really rich to fix yourself to look perfect. Okay, I just figured that out. Guess too. Too hard to be fat. True. But some people are at home being lazy and stuff like that. We done. I liked it, and I noticed I'm already got bored of the cake. Yeah, that's one of the reasons why I don't like cheesecake that much, because I got bored of it really fast. I don't know the word for it. Let me see if I can Google translate that word. It's not bored. Yes, I'm like fed up with it. Like I'm bored, fed up with it. So yeah. Like cheesecake and mac and cheese, like I can only eat a bit of it. If I once I eat like a lot of it, I got bored of it, I got fed up with it. There's some food that is like that. I can only eat a bit of it. If I eat too much of it, I got completely bored of it. Like the taste is like so yeah, I just eat one cake of it and I already got bored of it. Just not keep saying I'm liking it, I shouldn't get to it, and now like I got bored of it. Because it's a cheesecake. That's why I don't like cheesecake. Like the taste got bored. Yes, thank you for watching me eating. Like, if you like cheesecake, I'm sorry if you hated it. No. What eating? I was eating a cake. Look at me as a girl. bad. There's like a lot of prettier girls on Twitch, and me here in the corner like this. That's why I'm not a big streamer. If I'm like really pretty, like a lot of people watching me, but I have nothing. I have nothing. Like if you like cheesecake, I'm sorry, I don't like that. Yeah, that's the right sentence. We all have different tastes. We live in a world where people like this, people like that. People don't like this, people don't like that. If we live in a world where everyone like the same thing, we're gonna live in a boring world. So I see you guys in my next video. Bye. My darkness. Later. I have to put the plate back and start crawling.